Hello, hi. How are you? My name is Danielle, just in case you didn't know. Now you do. This is my crocheted blanket that I have been working on for well over a year. Last year I vowed to do more hobbies and to make time for them, and I decided I was going to crochet myself a blanket, just a giant granny square blanket, and it's getting to be pretty big. Like, it's pretty wide, but it is still not big enough for me. As you can see, it is very multicolored, and I really enjoy the colors actually. But I thought we can make a real push to finish this blanket this week. So it's currently Thursday, and well, Thursday almost 5 p.m. and I would love to finish this by next Thursday at 5 p.m. And I have a little bit more of the color I'm currently working on, this like neon purple. Then I have 2 more balls of yarn to finish and add on, like a mauvey purple. They're downstairs in my room, and I just don't want to go get them yet till I'm finished the neon, because I don't want to carry them around with me. And then like a rainbow, one of those Caron cake ones that I just thought was fun. And then this. This is my ball of scraps. So every yarn I've put into here, I've saved the scraps and collected my own hair too, apparently. I've tied on the scraps and rolled it up into this ball. So when I finish the color I'm on, I will add its scrap to this end and keep rolling, and then I will do the same with the mauvey light purple color and the rainbow one. I absolutely refuse to do a partial row in one color, except for the scraps. What I've been doing is, as you can see, like, if I can't get around a full other time in the color I'm using, then I stop and I join on the next one. So I have enough yarn right now to do at least one more row of this purple, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna crochet until I'm finished and vlog it. So join me, and at the very end I will show you what it looks like finished, because I really need to finish this so that I can stop carrying around a grocery bag with a blanket in it and a ball of yarn. Hello. Okay, this is my next yarn color. It's much thinner than this one, like, in comparison, so we'll see how this works. I might have to like add some extra stitches and stuff, but I'm just gonna tie it on now, and I might also have to take the wrapper off. I don't like doing that because they get a little out of control, but this is how I do it. It's not necessarily the right way to do it. Now, I'm not looking for advice either. So. I can almost not hold on to this ball of yarn anymore. It's so big. Oh, good morning. Welcome back to the crochet vlog. We are back at the store, as you can see, and it is gloomy and raining. I in fact did not finish my blanket by, I don't even remember what date I gave, Thursday, which would have been yesterday. A lot of things came up in our renovation. I thought I'd give you the world's smallest Michael's haul, which is just this crochet hook that I bought. It is from Loops and Threads, and it's an ergonomic aluminum crochet hook. I got the 6mm size, which I actually think I might have accidentally gotten. I think I've been using a 6.5mm. I don't know, I just picked the one that felt right. And then I think I grabbed 6mm. I don't really care. Let's find out, because the way I bundle this up is, nope, 6. So this is the one I have been using, and it's okay, but I find if I'm gonna spend 6 hours crocheting, I need like a proper grip. So yeah, so I'm gonna crochet for a bit. And I'm sure y'all are tired of seeing the time lapses, so I'm just gonna do that. And I'll show you my progress later. I'm still working on the cake, one that I started last week when I was in the store. I haven't really crocheted since then because it's just been too chaotic to do anything. Come on, I know it's raining. Are you scared? Come on, it's okay. You're okay to be scared. You gonna parkour up here? Okay, good job. Oh, you just want to lay on my yarn. Okay, but you're on the yarn. Dude, you're on the yarn. You're in the yarn. You are the yarn. Okay. Lexi here is a little afraid of thunderstorms or rain, and all the windows are open right now, and so she will find the smallest spot to sit and shake for a while. Oh, buddy. Yeah? You're gonna be okay. You just need some love. Turn off the music. Okay, I'm in the store, and I know my head is cut off, but this is like the highest I can get the thing right now. And by the thing, I mean the tripod. So my blanket is almost done. I'm just working on trimming it now. It is gigantic, it feels, and I'm really tired of carrying it around with me. So I'll be quite happy to be able to just like leave it on my bed or at home. But yeah, I've been putting this like trim on it around the outside to try and use up some yarn. So that's what I'm doing. I saved all of my scraps of yarn, like all the little leftover bits, and made a ball of yarn. And sorry, I'm just trying to find it in here. I rolled it up in here. And this is that ball. So as you can see, like the leftover bits, right? So I'm just going through, and I have no idea if this is like a double, a half double crochet, whatever. I went around and did an entire row of single crochet around the outside, and now I'm going around and doing, I think maybe it's a half double, I don't know. It's one wrap through, wrap again, pull through 2 loops, wrap again, pulled through 2 loops. So whatever that is, this is not a tutorial, but I'm just trimming up the blanket now. And I don't know if I'll get around twice for the trim, because now that I'm using a much bigger stitch, it is going very fast. So we will see. Alright everybody, the time has come. I have finished the blanket. It's right here. I don't think I have the space to unfold it all the way because I am stuffed in the tiny corner between the freezer and the wall. But it is done. I have not woven in the ends. Don't know when I'll be able to do that. I just don't have like a small enough hook right now to do that, so that'll have to wait till I can find my bigger hooks. But it is glorious. It just is. And like, come on, this is like the perfect thumbnail. It took me over a year to make this, and I just did a giant granny square until I was done. And then I trimmed it with some, like, I think they're half doubles. I did a row of single crochet, then 2 rows of half double crochet. The corners were interesting to figure out. I just did a chain in between so I had room to go around the corner. And I love how it looks. It's so colorful. I have been working on this as like a speed run to the finish. I just sort of dabbled at it for over a year, and then I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna finish it while we're renovating. I have no excuse to not, because I can't make anything else. So I'm gonna make this, and I did. I made it. I made a whole blanket. So I spent the last 3 weeks just speed running to the end, and so I've worked on this every moment I've had a chance. I took it to work with me, and when it was quiet in the store I crocheted. It started a ton of conversations with people over like the bright colors and what I was making and things like that, and I'm just so happy with how it's turned out. If you hear the tippy tappies and the whining, that's Abby. She's actually on a leash right now because we're in the kitchen, and she's not normally up here, and we don't have our own space at the moment. She's kind of had to be in her crate a lot, so I'm trying to give her some freedom. But the freedom ends at the end of her leash, which is only like 6 feet long. So because otherwise she'll just want to play incessantly with the other dogs, and they like their sleep. They like to sleep all the time. So she likes to wander and play unless she's alone, and then she just naps all day. So anyway, the blanket is done. I'm just so pleased with how it turned out, and I cannot wait to move back into my room in a couple of weeks and put it on my bed and then show you it on my bed. And I will film a new room tour when I'm back in my space, but I'll be honest, it's gonna be a few weeks before I can even like move back in, unpack, do all the things, because we are now ripping out the floor, putting in a closet. We still have to paint. Drywall's not done. Or like the mudding and taping part isn't done. So there's a lot more work to do. Now you know, you've had a little life update. You know exactly how I'm doing. I've already started a new crochet project, and I am gonna try and vlog that too. So watch out for that when I'm done. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey. Hi buddy, do you want to come up? You want to come up? Come here. No? Okay, well, you're just running away now. She does not want to come up, apparently. Plus, I'm a little afraid she'd knock over the camera. Anyways, like I was saying, thank you guys so much for joining me on this crochet journey. Hopefully we'll get back to like regular videos soon, vlogs and such. I have been vlogging sort of a bit here and there of the reno and stuff like that, so we'll see how that goes. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!